First, congratulations to Kingston College. I thought they were better than us today. I thought they were tougher than us. They won all the 50-50 balls. They got to the balls before us. And we didn't play with enough confidence. But I think what's been hurting us all season is we give up soft goals. And as you saw today, we gave up a couple of soft goals. And when you do that against good teams, you're going to get hurt. And to give up soft goals and then you're not scoring. We didn't take a whole lot of shots. We never got a whole lot of chances. So they were the better team today. But we can still win Manning Cup. I mean, we still have a couple of games to go. And if we do well, we can get to the final. I remember in 2018, this is exactly what happened to us. We played them first. We tied 0-0 and we met them back in the final. But this time we didn't tie, we lost. But hopefully we can meet somebody back in the final. So we're not giving up yet. We're not giving up yet.
What do you think you have to change differently though?
We have to play with a lot more confidence. We have to play with a lot more confidence and we have to be a lot tougher. But this is a good team. St. George's College is a good team. We're a confident team. And we're not going to give up until we know we can't win this. And we still can win it. So we're not going to give up.
Alright, coach, shed some light on Kingston College's number 10, Dejan Richards, one of these standout players in this year's Manning Cup. Speak to us about how it feels to play against a player of that ilk.
He's a good schoolboy player, but he's not the only good schoolboy player we played against. But if you allow him, if you give him space and give him room, he'll hurt us. And he did that today. But he's a wonderful schoolboy player. So yes, and at 16 years old, his birthday is next week Thursday. At 16 years old, he really has helped his team. I think he came here with 20 goals. And what, he scored 1 or 2? 1. So he has 21 goals in most of 13 games. I mean, that is big things. That is big. So he's a quality player. But I don't think he's the person who beat us. Kingston College beat us, and he's not the only quality player on the Kingston College team. But I love him. He's a great player. I wish I had him.
How can you motivate the players now to get back after?
We're good, man. We're good. It is easy in the must-win games, you know. I mean, if I need to tell you, say, you have to play well because we need to win the game, then we win. To motivate people in a must-win game, I don't even necessarily have to say anything. They know if we lose the next match, we can't win Manning Cup. If we win the next match, we can win Manning Cup. So I don't think I need to say anything more than that. Right, Dave?
We saw you made some changes in the latter part of the game, which basically changed the game a bit. Why it's so long to make the changes?
When we made the changes, Kingston College were 4-0 up. It is simple that they're going to back off. In other words, you're not going to play with the same physical strength, you're not going to play with the same passion when it's 0-0. And for love, you kind of feel you win, so you back off. So we did look better because they backed off. I don't think we look better because we brought on better players. The number 9, Joshua, who scored against them, he has asthma. And he just couldn't go anymore. So we had a couple of forced changes. The right back, he was hurt. We had to take him off. Zabir, the dreadlock, was tired. We had to take him off. So it was like because we thought they were doing badly, you know. But if you're leading 4-0, naturally you're going back off a bit and you're going to give the other team some room, you know. So yeah, we look better. I agree with you. But I don't think it was because we put on better players. I thought we put on fresher players and that helped us. But I agree with you.
Coach Mona, next. We look forward to that one though.
Must win. Must win. We don't have a choice. Could be Brazil. If we don't win, we win Manning Cup. So you know, this might sound strange because Kingston College, they beat us 2 times out of 4 because we actually played them in the Europa Cup and tied that one. But I like these games. I like the games that we are not expected to win. I was reading, I don't know if it was Mars doing story I was reading, but the newspaper today said Kingston College are overwhelming favourites, or is you? Yeah, you know, so we came in here as underdogs. I suspect because we got 4-1, we will come in the Mona game as underdogs, but I love that. I mean, I don't want to lose, but I want the tough games. I want the tough games. This will improve us. I'm a coach that like the youngsters to go out there and, you know, get their feet wet, and I think we have some wonderful youngsters.
All right, coach. My final question. So going forward into the game against Mona, if you may shed some light, what adjustments do you think you will make against Mona and Charlie Smith to see better results? I'm not certain they will play the same way Kingston College played, and I'm not certain they will play the same way. I'm not certain we will play the same way against Kingston College. Again, in a must-win game, you know that you have to put out your best. We will talk to them, and hopefully we will do it. All right, thank you so much for talking to us. Yes, ma'am.